Copy trading for beginners. How to make money on Weex without trading. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading involves risk and may result in the loss of capital. Imagine this. You open an app. While you're going about your day, someone else is analyzing the market, finding entry points, and opening trades. And your account automatically copies everything they do. Sounds too good to be true? Well, this has existed for years. It's called copy trading. Today, we're going to break down what copy trading is, how it works, and why thousands of beginners use it instead of trading on their own. But most importantly, we'll talk about the risks that many influencers prefer not to mention. And make sure you watch until the end. Because today, I'll show you how copy trading works on Weex and how new users can get a $10 registration bonus and access welcome rewards of up to $30,000. So, what exactly is copy trading? Simply put, you choose an experienced trader and automatically copy their trades. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. When they make a profit or take a loss, your account follows proportionally based on your allocated funds. That's why copy trading has become one of the most popular tools for crypto beginners. You don't need to learn dozens of indicators. You don't need to stare at charts for 10 hours a day. And you don't need to master advanced technical analysis. However, this is where most beginners make a huge mistake. They focus only on high returns. For example, they see a trader showing a 300% profit and immediately start copying them. But experienced investors look at completely different metrics. How long has the trader been profitable? What is their maximum drawdown? How many trades have they executed? How much risk do they take? Because sometimes high returns simply mean high risk, and one bad day can completely change the statistics. By the way, if you'd like to try copy trading yourself, check out Weex. New users can currently receive a $10 bonus just for registering. In addition, there is a welcome rewards package worth up to $30,000 available for new users who meet the promotion requirements. You can find more details through the link in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let's talk about something most advertisements leave out. Copy trading does not guarantee profits. If the trader you're following loses money, you can lose money too. That's why you should never invest funds you cannot afford to lose. Many experienced users spread their capital across multiple traders instead of putting everything into one account. This helps reduce overall risk. Another important tip: don't rush to deposit a large amount of money. Start small. Learn how the platform works. Understand how copied trades are executed. See how profits and losses are calculated. Only then should you consider increasing your exposure. Personally, I believe copy trading can be a great way for beginners to get familiar with the market, but it should be treated as a risk based investment tool, not as a magic money making machine. Now, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried copy trading? Was your experience profitable, or did it teach you a valuable lesson? And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. That's where I share crypto news, project reviews, useful tools, and content that never makes it onto YouTube. The link is in the description. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.